make it last forever. Stop in time, yeah, I'll surrender.
Hi everybody, so I hope you're well and having a really lovely day today. So today I'm coming at you with my January favourites, and as per usual, January has come and gone far too fast for my liking. I'm 26 now. That is disgusting. So you guys know the drill by now. I'm going to be sharing with you all the things I have loved throughout January, and there's a nice mix of things. There's not a lot, but there's a nice mixture. So I hope you guys enjoy this video and carry on watching. So the first thing I have been loving in the month of January has been my Hi Smile Night and Day toothpaste. Now I got sent these months ago and I completely forgot I had them, to be honest, but I saw them in my drawer of bits and bobs I need to kind of use up and get into habit of using, and I thought, you know what, you've got to finish these. So I have made a big dent in these. I'm nearly done, and I am going to finish them up throughout February, but I have absolutely loved using these. I've worked with Hi Smile before. They've never paid me to do anything for them, but they've just sent me stuff, and this was one of the things they sent me, and I am still obsessed with it. So really enjoying these. So my next favourite has been a Lush lip scrub. Now this is the Galaxy one from Christmas. I have been obsessed with this and the unicorn one, but this one a little bit more. So if you like the sound of this, then the unicorn one is kind of similar, but this basically tastes like blue slushies, like a blue raspberry slushie basically. So yummy, so good, and I find it very hard not to just eat this because it tastes that nice. So definitely one of my favourites. I think Lush are actually making their lip scrubs a lot more interesting since they brought out the cookie dough one, which I'm still yet to try, and the cherry one again, which I still need to buy. But this one and the unicorn one have been my go-to for the past month, but this one has just been in my bag non-stop. So yeah, absolutely been obsessed with the Galaxy lip scrub. My second Lush favourite of the month has been the Magic Crystals shower scrub. Now I got this back in 2018, so a long time ago, and I've only just really been digging into this. It's so good. It has like a really nice scent to it, and I can't think of what the smell is. Let me just... It's mint, so it's like Christingle, but not. But look at that colour for starters, like that's so nice. But it basically smells like Christingle. It smells incredible. So really been enjoying using this recently, especially in the mornings. It kind of gives you that ready to go kind of vibe. So vibe. So yeah, smells delicious, smells amazing. I tend to use this in the mornings more so than the evenings, just because it has got that minty fragrance to it, so it does wake me up, get me ready to go. So I've been absolutely obsessed with this past month, and I imagine I'm going to finish it throughout February too because it's just so good. So now I'm going to move on to all my makeup favourites of the month. So my foundation favourite has been the Fenty Beauty foundation in the shade 170. I've mentioned this in a few videos. I just really like it. The only thing I don't like is that it always gets like blocked in the nozzle, like when I use it. I don't know why, but I really love the coverage. I love the consistency. I love the fragrance. It's just a great foundation. It's not cheap by any means. I think it was like 30 something pounds, I want to say, or 20, I can't remember. Like it's not to everyone's taste. It is expensive, but I just wanted to try it and I've been really enjoying it. So yeah, 10 out of 10, love that. So my next favourite is another beauty item, and this one I actually was gifted quite a while ago and I kind of forgot I had it, and this is the I Heart Makeup Unicorn's Heart Rainbow Highlighter, and it looks like this. The only thing I don't like about these is the packaging. I just don't like that it's kind of not attached in there, it's just kind of in there, if you know what I mean. But colour wise, it is so nice. Like if I just put some on my hand, the only thing I will say is obviously if you focus it more on a certain colour, obviously that does pick up on the swatch, but I don't know if you guys can see that or not, I'm not too sure, but it's so pretty. Absolutely love it. Not only is this really affordable, you actually get 10 grams of product in here too, so it's really affordable and really good value for money because you're getting so much. So really been enjoying that recently, love that. So next is my favourite lip combination of the month, and that has been my YSL lipstick in the shade 3. Is that the shade? I don't even know, but it's one of these. Now I'm not a YSL kind of gal, not gonna lie. Like I don't own anything YSL. I've had the YSL Opium perfume, which I have completely used up, and this, and that is as far as it goes. But I really wanted one, and it's so creamy and so lovely, and the colour is just perfect that I actually think I would repurchase this when I run out. So I have been obsessed with this recently. However, I've been topping it off with a little bit of the Barry M Gloss Me Up lip gloss in the shade, I think the shade's rubbed off now. Oh no, I think it's called Vibe. It's this really nice like nudie brown. This is the combination I have on today and I really, really like it. This is creamy enough on its own, I'm not gonna lie, but I just really like the combination of the two. So this has been my go-to kind of lip combination of the month and I have been really, really enjoying it. Although I'm sure there are definitely like drugstore equivalents of this, so don't feel like you have to go and spend 20 odd pounds on a lipstick because that is a ridiculous amount. And I'm already on to my last favourite. Again, like I said, I don't have a lot this month. It has just been a few go-to products, but my last favourite of the month has been the Benefit Cheek Leaders Pink Squad palette, which looks like this. I'm not sure if you can still buy this or not. I bought this quite a while ago, but I absolutely am obsessed with the Benefit palettes because I think these are about £54 or something, which isn't cheap. Okay, it is not cheap, but each of these products are full size and each of them originally I think are £24. So you're basically buying 2 and getting 3 for free, plus a brush and a mirror, so it's not bad at all. And the only one I already had out of all of these were Hoola, so not a bad palette if you ask me. I really like it and it's just really convenient. It's easy to kind of travel with. It's a really sturdy box and I'm honestly just been obsessed with it. I love it and I don't always wear blusher. I have some on today, but I don't always wear it, so it's nice to have this just kind of if I want to dip into some blusher. So really obsessed with that. So that is everything for this video. I promise in my next video I'll wear something other than this purple jumper because I seem to be wearing it a lot recently and I just really like it. It's so comfortable and warm. It's from Pull & Bear. This has been a favourite too. I'll put this in my favourites. This was from Pull & Bear a few months ago. It's just got Walt Disney on it. I bought it for when I went to Disneyland Paris like a few trips ago, I think it was, when I went with Holly. Might have been our October trip, I'm not too sure, but absolutely obsessed with this, so this is a favourite too. But yeah, anyway, I'm gonna go. I've got some food to go and eat, so I hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to subscribe. It makes me incredibly, incredibly happy if you do, and I shall see you very, very soon. Bye guys.